Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this episode of Logging In, I will be showing you the process of how you can log in into the online banking account on Discover Bank. Now for you to get logged in into the Discover Bank online banking account, you need to open the web browser on your PC. So open the browser and on the search bar you type in discoverbank.com and press enter. This will direct you to the Discover Bank web page. Once you're at the web page, you move the cursor to the login section and click on it. Now here you need to provide your user ID and the password, and from here you need to choose the banking option and then you click on login. With this you will be able to log in into your online banking account very easily. But just in case if you forgot your user ID or the password, you can recover it through the instruction provided by the bank as well. For that you need to click on this link provided below, that is forgot user ID/password. You click open that link. Now for you to recover the account credential, you provide your date of birth, your social security number and your mother's maiden name and then click on continue. With this, you will be moved forward to the another process for the recovery of your account credential. This way, you will be able to easily recover the account details. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.